Hey guys, this is Sajid here, back again with another video. Vivo doesn't need a special introduction. This time, I got my hands on the Vivo X21 for a while. I'm glad that Vivo was so generous to have me at the event itself. So, here are my first impressions of the Vivo X21. Without any further delays, let's get started. The back is made out of glass, which is pretty common this year. But still, it doesn't feel much slippery too. What's unique about this smartphone is that it is the first smartphone to sport an in-display fingerprint sensor. I was pretty excited about this feature, and when I actually tested it out, it worked 90% of the time. I was impressed, and I guess it can be further improved too, as it is one of the first devices to sport it. Coming to the specs, they look pretty sweet too. There is a 6.28 inches of Full HD plus Super AMOLED display, which I didn't expect from Vivo actually, and it is pretty gorgeous. Being a full view display, we get to see the notch trend here too. Welcome to 2018. Inside this, we get to see the Snapdragon 660 Octa-Core chipset, and it is okay. But in my opinion, Vivo should have gone for at least the 710 processor. There's a 6 GB RAM to get hold on the multitasking we do, and is coupled with a 128 GB of internal storage. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with FunTouch OS on top of it. Once you get used to the OS, you will start liking it slowly. We get dual cameras on the back, where one is a 12 megapixel sensor while the other is a 5 megapixel sensor which can shoot at 4K. The front camera is a 12 megapixel sensor and can shoot videos at 1080p. And like I said, it is 2018, Vivo uses AI to produce pretty good images. It comes with a juice of 3200 mAh, which in my opinion is pretty enough for a day's usage. Even if it dies out, there is fast charging to cope it up. You can get a detailed list of specifications down in the description below if you want to check out. The X21 is priced at Rs 35,990 and is only available in black for now. It will be retailing in online and offline markets if you want to get one. To be honest, the pricing is a bit too high when we look at the specs. If Vivo could lower it a bit down, it would be a pretty good bang for the buck. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Until then, goodbye my buddies.